Welcome student. In the revision we are looking this point, that is group work. From groups, here is the question, that is discuss how one can be a good reader. Use the points and above passage in your discussion. Write down the points that shows what makes a good reader. So this is the web of good reader. So let us continue with this point, that making the characteristics. What are the characteristics of the good reader? So here is the web. In the first web, it is the point is make, that is good readers try to gauge the meaning of new or unfamiliar words from the context. So good reader try to get meaning with the unfamiliar word or a strange word. Okay, this will be the good characteristics of a good reader. Okay, what will be the another characteristics? The another characteristics, it may be the good reader read with attention. He does not distract. From reading. He has a good concentration. And he has very curiosity about the subject. This is the another point, that the good reader, that he has a good attention towards the reading, and he has good concentrations. Another point is he collect another point is he collect more information from another source, another source, and collect relative document collect relative documents of the subject. Another characteristics of the good reader is collection. A good reader has huge collection of many subject and he build up a library of books of different subject. Okay, the another characteristics of good reader is
बोला रीडिंग करा वीडियो तो बिल्कुल करके वीडियो कंटिन्यू
good reader is another character of the good reader is
कंटिन्यू आएगा चेक किया पानी बना के sorry.
Another character of the good reader is he has a friendship of persons who also has a good interest in reading or habit of reading. So here we have different characteristics with this point in the web that the readers has a good attention. He does not distract from his subject of reading. Another point is he collects more information about the subject from the different sources. The third point is the collection. A good reader has a huge collection of books in his library. He built up a library with different subjects. Okay, he has a good friendship with the persons who also has a same interest. Okay, so these are the 4 characteristics, and we can include these characteristics into the web. Okay, so we here develops a web of the good reader. Okay, so student, here we saw an example of making a web of one subject, that is good reader. Okay, student, you have to build up such webs or circles of any subject. Okay, and send me a photograph. Here I develop a subject of a good reader. You can develop a subject web of a player. Okay, player of any game. Okay, now we will stop here. Okay.